Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about du equals to ds over s plus 1. So we know that this one we will change by u. ds over s plus 1 we change by du. The integration of u, we have u squared over 2 and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we can do similar for this one and this one, but we just change the number in here. And here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.